height of a ping pong ball can be determined by the function f of x equals negative 0.25x squared plus 3, where x represents the horizontal distance in feet. If the y-axis represents the net line, how far from the net did the ball hit the table? Let's start by drawing a picture. Let's let this line represent the table, and this line the net. From our question, I know that my net line is the y-axis, and my table is the x-axis. So if the ball is hit from the left-hand side, it follows the function and lands on the right-hand side. It is the distance from the net to where the ball lands that we're asked to find. And notice that this corresponds to a 0 of our function. So to get a 0 of this function, we need to factor it, complete the square, or use the quadratic equation. I'm going to use the quadratic equation. To do so, I need to find my values of a, b, and c. A is my x squared coefficient, which is negative 0.25. B is my x coefficient, and since there is no x term, the coefficient is 0. And C is my constant term, 3. The quadratic equation is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Plugging in my values, I get 0 plus or minus the square root of 0 squared minus 4 times negative 0.25 times 3 over 2 times negative 0.25. This will give me plus or minus the square root of 3 divided by negative 0.5, which gives me plus or minus 3.46. And since we're talking about distance, we take the positive value, so positive 3.46 rounded to the nearest tenth is equal to 3.5. And the answer to our question is D, 3.5 feet.